Hi everyone, I'm Marlon, this is Life in Frames, and welcome to my home studio. I've spent over 15 years perfecting my craft, clip by clip, frame by frame, for some of the world's leading brands. I created Life in Frames to share all the tools and techniques I use with the next generation of content creators. Whether you're aiming to master editing programs, upgrade your equipment, improve your sound and lighting, or you just want to level up your work from home setup, I'm here to help you. Welcome to Life in Frames.